Last night's 8.1 magnitude quake left at least 61 people dead and hundreds injured. Tonight, some are reportedly even using their hands to dig others out of the debris. Tonight, firefighters are racing against time to rescue those trapped under collapsed buildings. Hundreds of homes and buildings reduced to rubble off Mexico's southern coast. One witness said his house moved like chewing gum. The deadly quake, captured in this cell phone video, hit hard in Chiapas and Oaxaca, states closest to the Pacific Ocean epicenter. Hundreds of miles away in Mexico City, the famous Angel of Independence monument swayed back and forth. Schools closed today so experts could survey the damage. This woman said she'd never felt anything so horrible. A reporter from our CBS affiliate in Dallas was in southern Mexico.
It felt like a train was rolling beneath our feet, and then moments later, that's when we started to see the buildings shaking from side to side. It sounded like pieces of metal just scraping together.
Here's the epicenter, and Mexico City is up here about 480 miles away.
Dr. David Schwartz of the U.S. Geological Survey in Menlo Park says the temblor hit along the quake-prone Ring of Fire, an imaginary belt in the Pacific Ocean where tectonic plates slide underneath each other.
Where this happens, there were many, many earthquakes produced.
And he says the seismic setting where Mexico's quake hit is similar to the Cascadia subduction zone that stretches from northernmost California through the Washington coast. It's where he says a magnitude 9 could happen. The U.S. Geological Survey reports at least 20 aftershocks of magnitude 4 and above in the first few hours after the earthquake. Geologists say it's a reminder for us to be prepared because large earthquakes can hit any time. Sharon Chin, KPIX 5.